Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You might find a Dual LX3 device registered in the wrong portal account. Start by confirming the device ID on the unit label or settings page. Use the serial number shown as SX followed by 6 digits for accuracy. Log into each portal account where you manage devices and list registrations. Check creation timestamps and match them to your installation date within 5 days. If the ID matches but the portal differs, you found a misregistered Dual LX3. Take screenshots now to document the discrepancy before you change anything. Log into the correct portal admin account and enable two-step verification for security. Open the device management menu and search by the SX serial number. Use the portal transfer tool to request ownership transfer for that specific SX device. Confirm the destination account email and type the 6-digit confirmation code to accept. Wait up to 5 minutes for the transfer propagation to complete across services. After propagation, refresh your device list and verify the Dual LX3 appears under the correct portal account. If the transfer fails, collect logs from the Dual LX3 and portal activity for troubleshooting. Export the device event log and take screenshots showing the wrong portal registration. Note the exact timestamps and the account names involved to speed support response. Contact vendor support and provide the SX serial, screenshots, timestamps, and affected portal names. Keep the original account access active for 30 days to allow a rollback if necessary. Follow the vendor's instructions and confirm the final portal mapping once support complete.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.